property investment workout of the week. We'll be dropping more than one a week, but we thought the time would fit. So to become a successful investor, it's important that you absorb information in bite-sized chunks of information that you can absorb, take in and build your investment arsenal. Going back 25 years when I built my knowledge on investment, there wasn't the internet around. So I bought lots of lunches for grey-haired investors, read lots of books, went to lots of seminars and took small bits of information out of each of them. When we started educating people on property investment a decade later, I realised, I thought back what was important about the way I absorbed information and built the strategy around smart investment. So we've created these videos so that you can, on a short period of time, absorb information, but we'll do it sequentially. So the process in my 4-year-old investor is the straight line to wealth. So it takes you from the start all the way through to building a portfolio of property. At each point in time, there's risk. So we're going to talk a lot about risk in these videos, but I'll teach you about the risk and how to alleviate it. So enjoy these. They're going to be coming at you thick and fast, but by following from the start to the end, you become successful investors. Enjoy.